what's going on? It's Iris Ajna, the young Kuro poet, otherwise known as Rachel or Rachie to my homies that know me, and have another poem to share with you. And this one was written January the 26th of 2018. And here we go. Nature reminds us that we are safe. We are okay. The earth is our mother. We reside in her belly. The air we breathe is our nourishment for all aspects of the self. This is our haven. And when we leave this one, we move to another. We are always safe. We will always be okay. Our personal struggles are effortlessly handled by our mother. There's nothing she can't do. There's nothing we can't do. Believe in you. Believe in the mother. Believe in the great beyond. There is magic beyond what our human minds can conceive. So allow all worry to glide off. Work with yourself, not on, not against, with. For you are with yourself forever. Might as well cultivate a healthy relationship with the one in the mirror. Much love to you. Ram Ram. Namaste. Thank you for listening to this poem. This is really just how I feel about nature. This place that was made for us by the divine. Nature is just awesome to me. It's just so fascinating and cool to learn different things about how things grow, how things form. Nature is our mother. Nature is our home. You know, these boxes that we live in, these houses, this is not our home. Our home is the earth. Might as well love it and embrace it and do what you can to enjoy it. So, yeah, I think that's about it. Yeah, I love nature. If you love nature, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what's good. Yeah, have an awesome day, whatever time it is for you. And yeah, love you all. Thank you again for listening. The divine in me bows to the divine in you. And thumbs to the third eye. And we bow and say namaste.